Whenever I feel like talking about affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel, I love doing it with JVZoo because JVZoo happens to be that affiliate marketing platform, or if not the only affiliate marketing platform at the moment that works nationwide. It serves the entire universe. And if you happen to be a product seller, or you could be that person that sells other people's products in order to earn what is called affiliate sales commission, because that's what affiliate marketers earn at the end of the day after making any successful sale. So guys, welcome back. It's another Make Money Online tutorial video edition with Daniel Anthony, and in today's video I want to talk about affiliate marketing, and I'll be using JVZoo as a case study because JVZoo happens to be that reliable affiliate marketing platform that so many people haven't been talking about, or so many people haven't really made mention of. So if you come over now to JVZoo official website, which happens to be the affiliate marketing platform I'll be talking about today, how you can get started on JVZoo even as a beginner, as a newbie, or as a pro who is already into the affiliate marketing industry, into the affiliate marketing business, you can actually take advantage of JVZoo and harness the affiliate marketing opportunity JVZoo has, either for product sellers or for product promoters. So if you come over now to the bottom line section here of JVZoo, then you're just going to quickly find out how exactly what this means to you, like how JVZoo actually works. You actually make money from JVZoo affiliate marketing platform in two major ways, because these two major ways are what I'll be talking about today in this video, how you can actually make money online with JVZoo affiliate marketing platform. And it even works for beginners. People are doing 6 figures from JVZoo. People are doing, in fact, thousands of dollars on a monthly basis by simply promoting products on JVZoo or selling their own products on JVZoo. You can create an online course and even sell it on JVZoo. So you can even easily get started as a seller, or as well get started as an affiliate. So the reason why I want us to talk about JVZoo affiliate marketing today is based on the fact that I want to quickly review, or I want to mostly focus on how to become an affiliate on JVZoo affiliate marketing platform and make money from it. Yes, one thing you need to put into consideration is this: after making money from JVZoo, how do you actually withdraw your money? Because that's what everybody that hustles online, or anybody who happens to be an online hustler, actually look at for how to withdraw your money. I will show you that, and I'll equally show you some of the benefiting factors that you need to look out for when joining the JVZoo affiliate marketing platform. I won't take you much in a hurry. I won't be much in a hurry, so you just have to be patient with me. Step-by-step guide tutorial on how this thing actually works on the JVZoo affiliate marketing platform. So before I proceed, JVZoo is just the affiliate marketing platform that hosts all of the affiliate products you're going to find here to promote. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just an online hustle model that permits you to sell products that are not yours in order to earn what is called affiliate sales commission. It comes with a very simple definition. So without wasting much of our time now, guys, if you come over now to JVZoo, all you just have to do is very simple, and it's free to join JVZoo 100%. You just quickly come over now to this up section here and hit on start for free. Then as soon as you hit on start for free, it's going to bring you over to this section where you can register for a free account. You need to verify your email address before accessing your new JVZoo account. Make sure you have access to this email. Guys, I already have a JVZoo account that I make use of, so I don't want to open another account in this tutorial video, but I've already created a video in time past that will walk you through the basic steps on how to create a JVZoo affiliate account, and you can check out this video description below to actually check out that video and know how it works. So as you can see, they even have decided to take you over to the verify account section, down to the select a way to get paid. Like I said initially, that even after making this money on JVZoo, you need to learn how to get paid. I will show you how to get paid, the best withdrawal system to actually use to withdraw your money from JVZoo at the end of the day. Then they have recommended tools. So this is how to actually create an account with JVZoo and get started. Like I said, I'll be dropping a video in this video description below so that you watch that video and learn how to create an account with JVZoo. So after you might have created your account and at the end of the day you are done as a newbie, now you want to join the JVZoo affiliate marketing platform. This is what your newly created account will actually look like. Like your dashboard is gonna be like this. Then this is your JVZoo affiliate dashboard now, and then at the bottom section here you have option to either check out your approved products and find product. So this way you can actually find product to promote on JVZoo. So if you quickly hit on find product now, it's going to bring you over now to the section where you can find different types of product to actually promote. And on this section, you're going to find the date the product was launched, how much they have been sold out so far on this product, the conversion rate of the product, the EPC of the product, then the average price of the product, then the commission percentage of the product, and the refund rate. So as you can see, this particular product now at this first section here is actually going out for I think about $266. And if you make a single sale on this product, you're going to make 50% as commission for yourself. So that means if you make a single sale of this product on this particular product, you're going to go home with at least $130. So that's how it works here. Then these are all of the products you can find here to promote. But there is one downside to JVZoo affiliate marketing, which actually is requesting for products. If you visit other affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank, Digital24, and the rest of them, you are going to get easy access to products, and you just get the product affiliate promotional link, then just copy the link and start promoting. But in the case of JVZoo, it's different. You have to request for the product. As you see here, this corner section here will give you, this permission to request for the product. Then you can quickly hit on request for a product. I've done video on that as well. I've done videos on JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorials, how to request for products. I'll be dropping that video link in this video description below as well, so that you can check out the video and learn how to apply for products. And as soon as you get approved on any product, you can easily get your affiliate link and start promoting. So as you can see now, this product, Click Agency AI bundle information, the product is even going up for $317. So if you make a single sale, you get 50% commission. And one thing about affiliate marketing is that you need audience. So if you don't have audience anywhere, you might actually want to run ads. Maybe you might want to run Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Twitter ad, LinkedIn ad, and maybe Google ads to actually sell this product. But if you have audience on maybe your YouTube channel, just like me, you can talk about this particular product and promote it on your YouTube channel or wherever you have audience, because that's the key success to affiliate marketing: audience or running ads. So as you can see now, I don't have permission to request for this product. This is the section where you can enter a message and type out a detailed message of request. You can just simple message telling the person that you happens to be an affiliate marketer, and then telling the person that you want him to approve you on the product. Then hit on this not a robot capture verification stop and hit on request product. In less than 24 hours, you're supposed to get approved. So let me take you back to my dashboard and show you some of the product that I have applied for in time past and have been approved on. So if you come over now to this section that says assessed approved product, then if I'm to click on assess approved product, it's going to bring me over to this section where I can find product that have been approved for me, product that I've already applied for, and the product owners have already approved the product for me to start selling. So as you can see now, I have the section, instead of request for products, now it's now showing me get link. So if I hit on get link, this is my affiliate link. This is all you just need to actually promote this particular product now. So if you have audience anywhere, you can start promoting the product as fast as possible. But without much far time, let me quickly take you over to the payment section, how you can actually withdraw your money. Because if eventually you make a sale on JVZoo, you need to withdraw your money, which is the most important thing. Nobody hustles online that don't want to withdraw their money at the end of the day. Then if you still come over now to the dashboard of your JVZoo account, then you come over now to this my account section, you hit on it, then you're going to see account details, JVZoo Pay, payment profile. Then if you hit on payment profile, now I want to talk about the payment aspect of it, how to actually get paid at the end of the day. Then it's going to bring you over now to the payment profile setup, either as an affiliate or as a seller. You can quickly hit on select either as an affiliate, or you hit as select as a seller. Then if you hit on select as an affiliate, because that's who you are right now, promoting people's product to earn what is called affiliate sales commission, then it's going to bring you over to the section where you can find, payment networks that you can link up with your payment account, which is your JVZoo Pay. But all payments are being controlled by JVZoo Pay. So as you can see here, with JVZoo seller collects their portion and payment, blah, 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 blah. Recommended, JVZoo Pay, affiliate commission are paid via one of the three options below. Select and set up the options and the best that is best for you. So these are all of the withdrawal payment option. Either you withdraw through Trolley, or you withdraw through Payoneer, or you withdraw through Wise. So on Payoneer, which I would strongly recommend, I've done a lot of tutorial videos about Payoneer before, how to create a Payoneer account. I'll equally be dropping that video link in this video description below. So if I'm to take you now over to Payoneer, if you want to quickly know what Payoneer is, if you open up Payoneer, you know that Payoneer is actually a payment system, a universal opportunity open to you. So you can check out the about section of Payoneer to know more about Payoneer. So as you can see on the about section of Payoneer, Payoneer is the world go-to partner for digital commerce, everywhere from borderless payments to boundless growth. So over 5 million customers are already using Payoneer, and with over 2,000 employees and global rank of 24, then with 22 different languages. So Payoneer happens to be a very strong payment system that you can actually use, create account with, and then whenever you make a sale on JVZoo, you use Payoneer to actually withdraw your money. So now you just have to select, set up Payoneer, then and all of that. So let me quickly show you my own Payoneer account. Like I said, I have a video already that will walk you through the basic process of creating a Payoneer account. I'll be dropping that video link in this video description below so that you can sign up with my link and get started ASAP with Payoneer. So right now, as you can see, this is actually the login section of Payoneer. I've already created an account with Payoneer. That's why I have my details on the sign up section right in here. So I'm just going to quickly hit on sign in. So as you can see, guys, this is my own personal Payoneer account. And one amazing thing about Payoneer is that Payoneer actually gives you the opportunity to own 3 different foreign bank accounts. You can own a bank account in the United States dollar. You can own a bank account in the European euro. And you can even own a bank account in the Great British pounds. 3 different foreign bank accounts in just one place. That's Payoneer for you. So if I'm to come over now to this section that says business networks, then I come over to this section that says refer a friend. As you can see, I already have 12 downlines in my Payoneer referral program. So you can equally take advantage of the referral program of Payoneer and make money as well on the side outside affiliate marketing. So this is my own Payoneer link. So I'm just going to drop it in this video description below so that you can sign up with my own personal link. So back to our JVZoo tutorial that I'm still talking about. So you can, after you might have created an account with Payoneer, I'll be dropping the video. Then you just quickly attach it here. Then you hit on set up Payoneer. Then it's going to take you over to the next section where you can quickly attach your Payoneer account details right here. As you can see, I've already linked my own Payoneer account with my JVZoo account. It is very much active. Now, as you can see, status active. This is my own personal Payoneer ID. My Payoneer accounts have been linked to my JVZoo account. So as soon as you've linked it, whenever you request for a withdrawal, automatically your money will be in your Payoneer bank account right here, which is going to be in the USD section. This is where your money is going to reflect on. So you need to be very careful when creating your Payoneer account. That's why you have to use my link so that you not fall for any other scam site or platform. So that's it, guys. As you can see here, they have the affiliate quick start, approved product, find product, and all of that. Like I said, if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you need audience. You need to have audience base. Like if you have audience on Facebook, you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook. If you have on Instagram, you can do on Instagram. If you have on YouTube, you can do on YouTube. If you have on Twitter, you can do on Twitter. All that matters is audience. But if you don't have audience on any of these social platforms, or you don't have enough social presence that will be capable enough to convert for you as sales, then you'll be willing to run Google ad. You have to put in money. Or you run Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and so on and so forth. So guys, this I just have to quickly call it a wrap for today. Like I said, it's JVZoo affiliate marketing, and the way you can withdraw from your JVZoo account is with your Payoneer account. You have to get a Payoneer account. But this I just have to quickly call it a wrap, guys. I think I'll wrap up this video right here. But if you have any question, just drop your comment in the comment section below. Like the video and share if you think the video is valuable enough. But do not forget, my name still remains Daniel Anthony. If today is actually your first time of bumping across my YouTube channel, what I do is that I teach you how to make money online, ranging from affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, digital content creation in all areas. Until we meet again, I just have to say I love you all. But for now, bye bye and peace.